Okay, so I want to just introduce the interactive workspace that I've been using, and they're through this bit of software called Miro. There's many other whiteboards out there, but this is the one that I've been using for a while. I'm used to it. I think it's pretty good. As you can see, well, if we zoom out first, you can see it's very, very large. At the top of each section where I would be putting the many whiteboards that we'd be working on, it's got a little the name of the topic, and we can also see some subtopics that it might contain. Then it's got a link to my resource bank, which you can click on the end to get there. And so if we just look at this, this is just a sample board. This is not any student's board, but I've just done a few scribbles on it, and I've added a YouTube video which can be played within the whiteboard. So on the left hand side you've got all your tools, and so you can draw, make or type or make pictures with shapes and so on. There's lots of other emojis and so on that you can use. And quite a useful feature is, probably the most useful feature for when students are when I'm teaching students, is that they can follow me. We can't demonstrate that at the moment because there's no other student in the lesson, but what that would mean is that wherever I go, they go, and they can always quickly find me. You can also access this between lessons, and you can find all of your work because I've labelled it, or you might label it, and then what you do is you press Control F, or you click on the magnifying glass, which is well, they've moved it around now. I think maybe up here. Let's see, is it up here? Where's the magnifying glass now then? The magnifying glass is here somewhere, but otherwise you just press Control F anyway, that's a shortcut, and then just type in what it is that you're trying to find. So algebra, which we're already here. That icon means it's the whiteboard, and it takes me to wherever it is I've been looking at. So you can also grab PDF files. So this many page document is a PDF, and I've just extracted the pages, which is a kind of a tool that you can use where it spreads them all out for you, and then you can enlarge them to a size that you want to work on. At the moment we can move it around. We don't really want to do that, so basically you can lock it, or actually the owner of the board can lock it, and then they don't get moved around. So it's a really nice bit of software, and students have more than one board. They would have one for each subject, and in some cases have more than one per subject. So what I'll do is I will have a little link in my website where you can have a little play on this actual whiteboard yourself, or this workspace. You can look around. You won't be able to edit it, unfortunately, so you won't be able to play with all the different tools, but it is free to sign up, so if you wanted to have a quick look, you can. I'm not sure if you can copy this or not and play with it, but you can try to do that. Hopefully you found that useful. Thanks, bye.